In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the rafter hook on a Metabo HPT framing nailer. It's going to be real easy, but you might not know where to start. That's why I'm making this video. Your framing nailer should have come with this aluminum piece called a rafter hook. And this basically goes just like this, so that as you're working with the framing nailer, you can hang this on a rafter or another piece of framing. It is not recommended to hang it off of a tool belt or your clothes for obvious reasons, like if the framing nailer accidentally goes off, that would be a bad thing. But you can put this anywhere you'd like. I think I'm gonna mount mine like this. And you should also have these bolts with it. These are M5 by 16. So in case you lost them or it didn't come with them for whatever reason, that way you can get some replacements. They're also about 5/8 long here. It should have come with a 5/32 Allen wrench to tighten these. Like I said, really easy. Just put it where you want it. I'm gonna put mine here, and these are all slotted so you can make micro adjustments as you wish. So we're just gonna hold it right here and start putting these bolts in. And if you were worried about these coming out, I suppose you could use something like Loctite, some thread locker, but I probably wouldn't recommend it, just in case they get stuck. So just tighten these by hand. I'm just gonna make sure that that's not gonna be in my way. If I put it over here, it might be, but that looks good. Okay, once you're happy with that, you can tighten the rest of these. Then you can use your Allen wrench to just give these a little extra tightening. Don't go too crazy. There we go. Now we have a rafter hook to make life a little easier. So if you had a framing nailer like this and you needed to know how to install that, hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.